All right, happy Tuesday. I'm going to share with you a quick Hy-Vee haul. We're getting ready to go on vacation this week, so I didn't do a whole lot of grocery shopping this week, just picked up a few things. We got Connor over there having his after-school snack. What are you having?
Muffins. Mini muffins.
Mini muffins, you like those? What are you playing on your iPad?
Flash Tycoon.
Minecraft?
Oh, Flash Tycoon.
Roblox? Yeah. Okay, so a lot of this stuff was Ibotta rebates, so let me show you what I got. So this Red's Red's Peach Ale is a cider beer, and they had this on Ibotta for $3 rebate, so I picked up some of that. I also got some of this Bud Light Orange. This is new, I haven't tried it yet. And then this was also an Ibotta rebate. This is the Social Sparkling Wine Elderflower Apple. This was like a $3 rebate. I also got a Propel. I had a coupon for that, so that only ended up being about 39 cents. And then I got this Sparkling Smart Water. This was also an Ibotta rebate, so that ends up being like less than 50 cents also. This is new. It's the Canada Dry Ginger Ale and Lemonade. This was also on an Ibotta rebate, so I thought we'd try that. I also got some of the new Diet Coke Slim cans. They had these on Ibotta rebate also. I've had all these flavors before and they're really good. There's a Twisted Mango, Ginger Lime, Feisty Cherry, Zesty Blood Orange, and then just a regular Diet Coke. So those are good, and they were 25 cents each off. Okay, so I also got some snacks for our road trip. These are new. They're Cracker Barrel cheese pairing plates. They come with like Triscuits, sharp cheddar cheese, and then some blackberry jam. I actually had one of these the other day, and they were really good, so I got 2 of those. These were also on an Ibotta rebate, the Hillshire Farms snacking small plates. I got 2 of the uncured pepperoni. It comes with white cheddar cheese and then like these toasted baguettes. And then I got one of this flavor. This is the prosciutto. I've had these before. They're really good, and those were also on an Ibotta rebate. Also new from Cracker Barrel are these cheese dip and pretzels. This is cracked black pepper and Parmesan. I had one of these last week. It just comes with a little bit of dip and then some pretzel chips. So we'll take those with us. I also got some Cracker Barrel cheddar jack cheese sticks. Some Sweet Tarts for Adam. That's one of his favorite candies. They had these randomly on sale for $1 each, and I'm always looking for travel size stuff, so I got a couple of those. I got these Kraft Trios snack buns for the kids. These come with crackers, chocolate chip cookies, and cheddar cheese. And then lastly, I got just a box of popcorn because we were running low, and this is my favorite kind, the Pop Secret Home Style. I also went to Walmart yesterday, but I did not film a grocery haul, so I'll just show you a few things I picked up. I got some Paw Patrol fruit snacks. Those are for our trip, as well as some fun Paw Patrol themed lunches that I have coming up. I got some mini chocolate chip muffins, which Connor has already ate some of. I have not tried these before, but they looked good. This is the tangerine vanilla cashew macadamia glazed mixed nuts. I also got some Cheez-Its. This is a snack mix. This is really good. We've had that before. And then lastly, for road trip snacks, I got some of the blueberry, vanilla, and cashew kind bars. These are really good. We buy these all the time. I also picked up some Paw Patrol mac and cheese. Like I said, I'm working on some Paw Patrol themed lunches, so I thought that would be fun as well. The other thing I picked up at Walmart yesterday was these Paw Patrol yogurts. They're just the Yoplait 8-pack, and like I said, I'm working on some different themed school lunches, so you'll be seeing that coming up in a school lunch video. Okay, the last thing I wanted to show you is just some things I picked up from Walmart yesterday. I like to make these car kits for the kids when we're going on a road trip. So basically I just have like a plastic bin here. And then I just packed this full of fun things for the kids to do on the road. Things that like are new, little, books or toys, magazines, stuff like that. So for Kira, I got her this Animal Talk magazine. I thought that was cute, and she loves animals, so I think she'll like that. And then I got her this little mermaid Lego to put together. And then for Connor, I got him this Superheroes mini Lego, and then this highlights hidden pictures work pad thing. It looks like he'll enjoy doing that. So I'll put some more stuff in here as well. But this is nice because they can each have their own. You can just pack some snacks in there, some markers, some crayons, you know, some coloring sheets, and they are good to go. So they can have these on their lap, use them as a little table to color, and it makes car trips just a lot easier. So that's it. That's all I have to share today. Just a quick haul. Like I said, we are going out of town, so this week we're just trying to clean up the fridge and the freezer and eat what we have on hand. But that's it for me today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.